Alright everybody, Spiderleg's coming at you with just another little quick video for our Sunday afternoon. It's raining a little bit out here, so I just want to show how to set up my rain system if it's already raining outside. So here we go. We're going to walk over to the trees now. So we'll go that way. Alright, so say you're already hiking, it's been the middle of the day, it's already raining pretty good. So what you want to do is take your pack with the pack cover on it. And there's not much in my pack today, just for the sake of, just for demonstration purposes here. So we're going to pop it open. You always want to make sure that your rain fly system is at the top of your pack so that you can grab it easily in the middle of the rain. Just want to pull that out as quick as you can. Throw everything back under the pack cover and get to work. So what I use is a continuous ridge line on my Hammock tarp. It all just comes out quick and easy like that. Just got to untangle the cord a little bit, and we're ready to start. You walk on over to your first post, which I'm just using the post of my house today to show you what I do. Just clip it on right there, a little clip. Take it over to the other side. Same thing, I got to untangle this just a little bit quick. And that's ready to go. Over here I've got another clip very similar that I can show you in another video from Dutchware Gear. I'm just going to take it, move it around this as quick as I can. And lock that guy into place. And this is just a simple little pull. It opens up on the other side just the same. So I'll do it from over here. Sometimes I do it wrong. So start on this side. Open that side up as much as you can. Start feeding it off. And there you go, then your tarp's up, ready to rock. I'm going to open it up all the way. Lock the tarp into place. Then, I'm throw them in the pack, but you pull out all the stakes. I've got 4 of them in a set together, so I just unfurl that whole set. I'm ready to get started. Take these cords, just start breaking them apart. Pulling this out to get a decent angle. Push it into the dirt. And lock it down. The first go, you don't have to be perfect about it because you're just trying to make a dry space. Take the other two, I'm going to walk them over to the other side. Sometimes it just takes a quick second to find some soft dirt. once you have that all locked down, now you've got a dry space for your equipment. So it makes it a lot easier to set your hammock up with completely dry surroundings so that now you can feel comfortable after a long day of a rainy hike. Thanks, and please make sure you like, subscribe, and share.